Power, control, mobility, freedom. That's why we ride. But when it comes to navigating the streets, it's not that easy. Was I supposed to turn here or the next one? What street name was that? Oops, I definitely missed my turn. No passenger to give directions, no free hand, no margin for error. Looks like it's time to pull over. Current solutions are archaic, information dense and distracting, or expensive.
As an avid motorcyclist, our co-founder, Nancy Chu, understands the challenges that novice riders face. While learning how to ride, she found it difficult to navigate the mean streets of Vancouver. Our team set out to revolutionize motorcycle navigation and ease the pain for novice riders. We interviewed local riders and conducted observations to get a better understanding of their day in the life. We learned that riders fear for their safety and they must be attentive to their surroundings at all times. A minor lapse in concentration while navigating could be the difference between life and death. Motorcycle riders display many adaptive behaviors when it comes to navigation. The current solutions are impractical and dangerous, such as taping directions to the gas tank or pulling over to check their phone. Introducing our solution. Modyssey uses simple light patterns to provide turn-by-turn directions, all within the rider's line of sight. The device integrates with the rider's smartphone for a better, faster way of navigating on a motorcycle. The low-cost LED setup makes riding and navigating on a motorcycle safer than ever before. We originally thought that both courier drivers and police officers would benefit the most from our device, as they frequently navigate the streets. However, we found that they knew the streets so well that they didn't need a navigational aid. We refocused on young, inexperienced riders who are unconfident with their navigational ability and comfortable using new technology. In looking at solutions that are currently available in the market, it is clear that Modyssey offers the most benefits. Our system provides extra visibility, making riders easier to see and thus reduce collisions. Unlike the others, Modyssey is always within the rider's line of sight, allowing them to concentrate on their ever-changing surroundings. The intuitive design allows even the most novice and nervous riders to travel safely. Our affordable system meets the needs of an underserved market and will become part of essential gear for new riders. Heads-up display systems such as Scully are expensive, priced upwards of $1,200, and they must be replaced every 4 years. Some riders still use physical maps or written instructions taped to their gas tank. This behavior is dangerous, forces riders to take their eyes off the road, and doesn't adapt to changing routes. Tank-mounted GPS displays are expensive, forcing riders to take their eyes off the road, and often provide cluttered and unnecessary information for the rider. Comm systems can be annoying to riders, expensive, and don't provide visual, an important aspect in navigation. Most riders try to memorize the route on their smartphone and find themselves pulling over into dangerous situations on the shoulder. Some of the key hypotheses that we validated were: is motorcycle navigation unsafe?
Yes, we validated through observation and interviews with lead users. We also interviewed Constable Littlefield of the Vancouver Police Department's motorcycle unit.
Are current methods sufficient?
No, current product priced our customer segments out of the market.
Who is the target market?
We found that only new, inexperienced riders would be interested.
Is the technology viable?
Yes, our device will be able to deal with varying degrees of road complexities, and we have made several adaptations and are continuing to refine our design.
After interpreting the information that we received from motorcyclists, our team began designing solutions to fit the needs of our customers. We looked for inspiration from outside comparables, such as the cycling industry. Our team explored several methods that utilize a variety of sensory aids, including light, sound, and vibration. We settled on a preliminary design based on our interactions with the motorcycle community. Our design uses simple LEDs that are placed on each mirror, which allow the riders to keep their eyes focused on the road. The system only displays necessary information without distractions. By incorporating the GPS from a smartphone, we are able to reduce costs. We are in the early stages of technical development and have so far proven our concept with these prototypes. In terms of our customer relations, we are having an ongoing conversation with instructors at local motorcycle schools that will help us gain access to new riders and introduce them to our system. Strategically targeting inexperienced riders will allow our system to be integrated into the motorcycle community. Looking at our channels, originally we were planning to sell in brick-and-mortar stores, but found that our segment preferred buying their accessories online. We will create an e-commerce website as well as listing items on Amazon to foster growth. After exploring a variety of possible revenue streams, we determined that selling the device to consumers in a one-time sale to be most suitable. In terms of our price point, We looked at what consumers were currently paying for competing navigational products and also talked to retailers. In doing this research, we also adopted the strategy of selling our product in packs of 2 in an effort to increase market penetration. We will be leveraging key partnerships with motorcycle schools, insurance companies, and our manufacturers. In terms of our key marketing activities, we will gain initial traction and credibility by actively pursuing grassroots marketing efforts in the Vancouver area, such as group rides, motorcycle clubs, track days, and motorcycle expos. We will build online credibility ourselves via social media. We have already had some very positive feedback through our YouTube channel, Reddit, Facebook groups, as well as several motorcycle forums. In addition, we will leverage consumer interest by targeting key influential motorcycle bloggers to give product reviews and create more buzz. We will be working with a local manufacturer to make the R&D process easier and quicker so that we can refine our product design based on customer feedback. For the second generation of Modyssey, we will secure an offshore supplier to help bring down unit costs and increase margin. Another key activity in delivering our product to consumers will be the development and maintenance of our e-commerce site, as well as processing and fulfilling the orders that come through this channel. The key resources that our team requires to succeed with this product include our e-commerce website, hardware and software engineers, navigational software, and manufacturing. Based on our conversations with manufacturers, our initial unit cost will be $50, which includes materials, labor, delivery, and packaging. This will allow us to achieve gross margins of 56%. The cost of goods sold will dramatically decrease in the second sales quarter to $30, with full-scale manufacturing boosting our gross margins to 73%. We will require additional resources for front-end web development at a cost of $10,000. In our second quarter of sales, we plan to pay ourselves marginal salaries for engineering, business development, and customer acquisition. Here's a look at our market breakdown. Based on our $100 product, the 9 million motorcyclists in North America present us with an attractive $9 billion opportunity. Our serviceable available market of riders aged 18 to 30 is worth $171 million. We narrowed our obtainable market to Canadian riders who meet our key criteria. This segment is worth $4 million. The motorcycle industry presents an attractive and large opportunity for us. We have a focused and clearly defined target segment that is well within our reach. Our team of engineers bring a wealth of knowledge from their leadership in next-generation transportation projects. We have mechanical engineer and motorcycle expert, Nancy, materials engineer, Vivian, and electrical engineer, Poria. Our business team, Max, Thomas, and Marianne, bring a diverse range of experience from entrepreneurial mentorship, marketing, strategic planning, manufacturing, and finance. We want to allow motorcyclists to easily navigate the streets and focus on their safety. Let's take riding out of the dark ages with Modyssey.